Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in world sentiment, with a score of plus 0.14 and momentum at plus 0.26. This uptick is noteworthy, especially when you consider the historical baseline. This is the kind of movement that could indicate a significant shift in global sentiment trends. When you pull data from our API, you get a comprehensive view of sentiment across various dimensions, including 19 semantic clusters, that help you understand the nuances driving this change. For example, if you're developing a news aggregator or an analytics tool, this real-time sentiment data can enhance your application, enabling you to surface relevant content that aligns with current public sentiment. To explore this further, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this data to build something impactful together.